What's up, everybody? Dante here. I got an unboxing today. I finally took the step and got me a new camera. So, without further ado, let's go and get into this unboxing. Now, I'm going to start with the lens. Now, I already took it out the box, and this is the Sigma 24-70 lens that I got from Amazon. It came in a box and it came in this, and I thought it was pretty cool. So, didn't open it. So, let's see what's in here. Oh wow! Oh, I guess this is something like you could control how much light comes into it, something like that. I guess, I don't know. Like I said, this is like my first real step into like a camera with interchangeable lenses, zoom, bokeh, and all that camera language I gotta learn. This is basically my first step into that. This is the 24-70 Sigma lens. So this is for what I understand, this is like a workhorse of a lens. They say like this is like a workhorse lens. You can do all kinds of stuff with this. I see it has a nice little zoom to it, so I don't know, like this will give me some options. Like when I shoot a talking point video like this, you know, I can have it one certain way, and then when I want to focus on a product that I'm doing, then I could just go and switch over to that and just, you know, focus on certain angles and certain parts of that product I want to focus on, you know, blur out the rest of it and just focus on the details about what I'm talking about at that point in time. So this will probably help, and that's hopefully so. So let's go and get into the Sony A7S3. No, the Sony A7 III, not S3. Now, you're probably wondering, why didn't I go with the A7 III? A7S3, I'm sorry. For one, from what I've been watching on a lot of these YouTube channels, a lot of people saying that the codec that it shoots is really taxing on any computer that you get. So, if I was to get that, I would have to get a new computer to kind of just run the footage, like on the display. Like a lot of drop frames have been happening, so you got to have like an up-to-date computer to handle that. So this is, like I said, this is a little cheaper, and you know, everybody said this is a pretty solid camera for what it was. So I said, let me take this plunge and get this, then see like later on if I want to upgrade to the A7S III literature. I could go and put to the side. You know, once I get used to seeing the difference of what angle, what lenses are good for what I'm doing, learning that stuff. So, nothing in there. Here's the famous belt that you get with every camera. So, probably take some shots out and do something with that. So, all right. Anything else in here? Ooh, a power supply. Oh, come on. That's it. That look about it. So I got, you know, power adapter. How many watts is this? It says 5 volts. Okay. That's fine. And this is the battery. I got a couple of SD cards already, so I'll probably be shooting some video sometime next week and just get my feet wet and just, you know, play with this thing and learn from it. All right, this is the camera. Oh, I thought there was something rattling already in it. A lot of people was saying about this is that the screen don't flip out or, you know, flip over this way. So they say it's mostly for photographers, so like they do this, do that. All the buttons seem pretty sturdy. Not really having any issues. Now, from what I've been seeing on YouTube, that you can customize all these buttons to whatever you want. And now I have to, once I get this up and run, I got to go into the settings and get it to the way I like, which I don't really know, because this will be my first camera where I got to do white balance and color corrections and things like that, where it just comes down to it's a learning curve, but I'm willing to take it, you know, and just learn from it. Let's see if I can put this lens on real quick. Am I doing this right? Oh, there you go. Whoa. Now this thing, whoosh. Now this is a big camera now that I got this connected to it. Here's the focus ring. I'll take the thing off and let y'all see like all this glory right now. But so this is the A7 III with a 24 to 70 millimeter lens from Sigma. I'm gonna have to, like I said, learn from this, get my feet wet, and just play with this for a while and see how good this lens actually is. Now, the problem I'm going to come across is that I don't have a monitor with it. And from what I've been watching, like certain monitors don't let you record in 4K with eye detection on, so you got to get a certain type of monitor that works with that. So I'm not all, understanding of all the camera stuff that comes with stuff like this now, but this will just give me, some flexibility when it comes to different shoots, to different video angles and things like that. So, yeah, for the first while, I'm probably going to be just shooting, just playing back and forth, like set the camera up and then sit back, get in the position, hit record, stand in position, see if I come back, play the video back on the screen, see how it looks, and then go from there. Yeah, until I find a monitor or something else that works with no problem. Now, from my understanding is that, all right, how we do this? Oh, whew. Got 2 SD card slots, which is good. So the bottom one is the main one, and the top one is the secondary one. So if you run out of space on one, you go to the next one. There's a battery. Oh, let's put the battery in. All right, this looks like. There you go. That's set up. Now, this ain't the A7S III or the A1. This is the beginner camera for me, so be patient with me. Stay tuned for that. Post in the comment section any good lenses I can use for this camera. I mean, give me some suggestions because like I said, I'm learning this whole thing. So post in the comment section. Let me know what's a good lens, what's good for zoom lenses, like a macro lens, a zoom lens, not a zoom lens, a wide angle lens, all those things. So let me know in the comment section with that. But if you like this unboxing and this little new camera setup that I got, hit that like button. And if you're new here, subscribe to the channel. And thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing and setup of this camera, A7 III, with a 20-40-70 Sigma lens. And stay tuned for more. Hope you enjoy. See you guys in the next video. Peace.